Why build a personal time tracker?
Time tracking helps you understand how you spend your day, spot productivity trends, and identify distractions. By creating your own tracker with JavaScript, you'll gain full control over your data and the opportunity to customize features to suit your workflow. Let's explore how you can build a simple yet powerful personal time tracker from scratch.
Setting up your JavaScript project.
Start with a basic HTML file for your user interface. Add a few elements: a start button, a stop button, and a display area for tracked time. Link a JavaScript file to handle the logic. With this setup, you'll be able to interact with your time tracker directly in a web browser, making development and testing easy.
Core time tracking logic.
The main concept is capturing the instant the timer starts and stops. In JavaScript, store the start time using date.now when the user clicks start. On stop, again record the time, and compute the tracked interval by subtracting start from stop. This gives you the time spent, which you can display or store for future reference.
Storing and displaying track time.
For a more useful tracker, store each time interval in an array or object. You can display this data as a simple list below your timer, showing session lengths and total time tracked. To preserve your records between browser sessions, use the localStorage API to save and retrieve your tracked times automatically.
Expanding your time tracker.
Want extra features? Add labels for tasks, track daily totals, or visualize your time with simple charts. Consider responsive design for mobile devices. As your coding skills grow, you can improve your time tracker step by step, making it a valuable, personalized tool for staying focused and boosting productivity.